Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to draw a very nice drawing, and this is going to be a fish. So let's start the drawing from top. All right. First you draw a curved line which looks like this. Okay. Then we draw a straight line like here I'm drawing right now, and draw another curved line. All right. The thing is, when you put a curved line, you can just imagine a shape on which shape you are going to draw the fish. Okay. And this is going to look like your imagination. All right. Now we're going to put the head a little bit with the curved line and draw another shape under it like this. Okay. Another extension we see here. All right. On top of the fish we are going to draw this part. We can draw a separate line looks like this to define different types of shades. So this drawing, this is going to be the another style. All right. For the water at the bottom, let's draw a shape like an S. It's like a wave pattern, and draw another parallel line. Okay. And another wave we're going to draw here at the bottom, and draw another line parallel to the previous one. Okay. So the basic outline is done. Now I'm going to put a color. So this is going to be a purple color on the top. Let's see. Let's put the purple shade here. The drawing we see here, it's some kind of graphical presentation. Okay. As you know, when you draw something, different styles of art we can practice. Okay. Now let's draw the head with a light shades of purple. Okay. And for the eye, let's draw a different darker color. And we're making the head and the lines little bold than the previous one. Okay. few parts are going to be purple. This is one of that part, and the border lines, also this one and this one. Okay, let's draw another color for purple here. All right, and the tails, you can see this is a bigger curve. Okay, and we're going to make this tail little bold. Okay, this too is going to be blue. Let's put the color. And this one too. Okay, and the other part of the tails is the ash color. As you can see, I am putting here. All right, so the drawing is almost complete. I hope you like the video. Please do the practice and make your own style. This is going to be a very nice drawing. Thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you so much. Have a good day.